Imagine you're sending money abroad. You found a service called Paysend. It seems convenient and affordable. But there's one question that's been nagging at you. Does Paysend require ID? We've all been there. You're excited about a new service, but then you hit a roadblock, the dreaded ID requirement. It can feel like a hassle, especially when you're just trying to send a quick transfer. So, let's dive into the world of Paysend and find out if you need to show your passport or driver's license to use this service. Before we get to the answer, let's talk a bit about why ID verification is important in the first place. In today's digital age, security is paramount. When you're sending money online, you want to make sure it's going to the right person and that your funds are protected. ID verification helps prevent fraud and money laundering. Addressing the main question. Now, back to the question at hand, does Paysend require ID? The short answer is, it depends. Paysend has different levels of verification, and the level required will depend on a few factors, including the amount you're sending. Larger transfers may require higher levels of verification. Your country. Some countries have stricter regulations regarding money transfers, which may necessitate additional checks. Your account history. If you've been using Paysend for a while and have a good track record, you may not need as much verification. Explaining the verification process. If Paysend does require ID verification, the process is usually pretty straightforward. You'll likely be asked to provide a photo of your ID, such as a passport or driver's license. In some cases, you may also need to provide proof of address. Once you've submitted your documents, Paysend will review them to verify your identity. This process can take a few minutes or a few days, depending on the volume of applications. Addressing common concerns. Now, let's address some common concerns people have about ID verification. Privacy. Many people worry about their personal information being compromised. Paysend uses advanced security measures to protect your data. Your ID documents are stored securely and are only accessed by authorized personnel. Convenience. Some people find the ID verification process to be time-consuming and inconvenient. While it may require a bit of extra effort up front, it can help to prevent fraud and ensure the safety of your funds. Alternatives. If you're not comfortable providing your ID, there may be other money transfer services that don't require verification. However, these services may have higher fees or limitations on the amount you can send. So, does Paysend require ID? The answer is, it depends. Whether or not you need to provide identification will depend on various factors, including the amount you're sending, your country, and your account history. If you're planning to use Paysend, it's a good idea to check their website or contact their customer support to find out what level of verification is required for your specific situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.